Bro, Coach Aaron.
Yes,
You look tired.
I'm very tired.
I think you forgot to take your Fulvic Health today.
I definitely did.
So, yeah, take this.
Thank you. Awesome stuff. Now, I'm super ready for today's lesson. Got lots and lots of energy. All of my nutrition thanks to Fulvic Health. Give me a high five.
Hi there, team. My name is Coach Craig Riddle from the Be Active group, and I've made this video for you guys today to share a little bit of information about how we at the Be Active group stay mentally and physically fit while being so busy. Number one is you need to be active as much as possible. Have fun with it, but be active as much as possible. Number two is you need to have a balanced and nutritious diet every day. Number three is you need to supplement your body for all those missing nutrients that you don't get from food. One of the products that I recommend, or the Be Active group recommends, is a product by Fulvic Health. For more information on what we do during our days or the products that Fulvic Health offer, see the link below for more information. See you guys soon and have an awesome day.
Okay, boys and girls, now that you've shown Coach that your mind is awake and that we know how to react super fast, Coach is going to let you guys in on a little secret. So, last episode, I told you that we need to eat fruits and vegetables to get all of our nutrition. But that's not the only way that we can do it. There are lots of products in the store that we can buy. So one of Coach's favorite products comes from Fulvic Health. And what we're going to do today is we're going to make sure that we can react as fast as we can to catch Fulvic Health's products. Are you guys ready? So this product is going to make us react even faster for the rest of our episode. Let's go together. First, Coach is going to show you, okay? So Fulvic Health is going to pop up over here. That's what it's going to look like, okay? That's what our product looks like for today. And what we're going to do is when it pops up, I want to clap behind it as fast as possible, okay? So let's watch. Let's see where we can see Fulvic Health. Let's see. Where's our favorite product? Over there. Nice. And look up. Good job. And where are we going? There we go. Well done. And nicely done. And let's see. Keep checking. Jog on the spot for Coach. Let's make it a little bit more difficult. Let's see if you can jog and catch Fulvic Health. Let's go. Look around. Oh, there we go. And this one down there. Excellent. And well done. And there again. There. Excellent, guys. So you guys showed Coach how fast our reactions are. Remember, the reason we were catching Fulvic Health is because Fulvic Health gives you all of the nutrition that you need so that you can do excellently with Coach on his lessons, alright? Give Coach one more high five and I'll see you soon so you can show me all those reactions. Thank you guys so much for watching today's content. I also want to say thank you to Fulvic Health for all of our favorite products.
Guys, if you would like to see more information or find out how you can buy products from Fulvic Health, click the links below.
And then if you need more content, click this one.